Arthur Sakaja ambaye pia anaitwa super senator na sasa super governor. Unajua GDP yote iko Nairobi. Karibu governor.
Asante sana. Asante sana Your Excellency Baba Jacob Engineer Africa Union Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, Your Excellency Senior Counsel Wakili Vice President Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, colleague governors, Mama yetu Charity Ngilu, our big brother Oparanya, watu wa Homa Bay, Amoso Dutote, Okeuru Jothurwa, Wan Kanyakla, Wan Kanyachie. Nina furaha sana kuja Homa Bay. We are very proud of the work that our sister Gladys Wanga is doing in this beautiful, beautiful county. This morning when I saw Namlolwe, I felt drawn towards it. I wish I was here for more than just one day. As governor of Nairobi, Your Excellency, mimi ni governor wa kila mtu. Kwa sababu kila mtu akona mtu Nairobi na akona interest Nairobi. This county is a treasure trove of agricultural productivity. From your groundnuts, your bananas, we have heard you're going into palm oil, your sunflower. So Honorable Wanga, I think the mistake that was made, Your Excellency, I should have been the first one to sign an MOU with you. Because if it yote soko iko Nairobi. Na ni Nairobi utaleta kuuza Nairobi. So that we sign an MOU, I provide for you space. All of these foodstuffs must be consumed. And I'll give you an example. Kila siku, kama saizi ni saa 8, watoto 1184 tunawalisha Nairobi kama county government. Every single day kwa shilingi 5 peke yake. Hawa watoto na hiyo program ya chakula, dishi na county, inahitaji mafuta ambao utafanya palm oil. We need your sweet potatoes. We need your bananas. So the first MOU is the market that I have. By next term, I'll be feeding 250,000 every single day. Hiyo ni soko ambayo iko tayari. So watu Homa Bay mnaweza kuproduce na mtuletee kule Nairobi County. I want to encourage you with the Bible verse, Honorable Wanga. Hebrews 6:10. This is to you and to other governors, members of parliament, senators, everybody who serves the people. Hebrews 6:10 says, God is not unjust. He will not forget your work and the love you have shown him as you have helped his people and continue to help them. May God bless you for the work that you're doing. Finally, Baba, nimeona kila mtu anamaliza na hiyo. We have marching orders from His Excellency the President to support your candidature at the AU. You can count on us. Tutatembea na wewe Afrika mzima. Kama unahitaji watu kubeba bag, niko hapa. Nitatembea na wewe Lagos, tutatembea na wewe Cape Town, tutaenda na wewe Kampala tena turudi, and across the continent, because we believe as a country, and we've taken a common position as a country that you have what it takes to unify our continent at the helm of its leadership. That is a unifying factor for the people of Kenya. We have seen a beautiful reality. We are governors from across the country. We have different issues in our counties. We have different challenges. But despite the disparities in our country, Kenya, our people have a unified hope to be united. Njaa ya Mluya sio tofauti na njaa ya Mjaluo. The Kikuyu dreams in the same way that the Kalenjin dreams. The Kamba's aspiration are the same as the Mijikenda. Our people must be united, for there is more that brings us together than that which divides us. Ultimately and invariably, every Kenyan wants the same thing: to go about their life peacefully, to make something out of themselves, and to guarantee their children a future. So watu wa Homa Bay, na wakaribisha Nairobi. Ukifika Nairobi, na tafadhali munisikie vizuri, ukifika wapi? Nairobi, ingia kwa hoteli yoyote. Ukiingia kwa hoteli, order chai, order samaki, order ugali, order mboga. Wakikuuliza useme umetumwa na Governor Sakaja Johnson. Sawa sawa? Alafu ukishasema umetumwa na Governor Sakaja, ulipe bili yako. Asanteni sana.
Nilikuwa nafikiria utasema afadhali ukishasema uanze kuchonga viazi. Wacha sasa nimwalike